Tom Davidson here, CEO of ACDC Metals. It's very pleasing today to announce that we're commencing our drill program. We're going to be drilling 7,500 metres across our three projects, Goschen Central, Watchem North and Douglas. The drilling has commenced on the 16th of January. We'll run through to the start of March with 2-week swings, which will enable us to get a good amount of holes across each tenement. The plan at Goschen Central is to build upon the work that we did last year where we reduced our maiden JORC mineral resource. We'll target zones where we identified opportunity to increase tonnes and high grade based on the mineral work that's been done with Mineral Technologies and the scoping study, and also on the JORC resource with Snowden Optiro. The work at Watchem will look to build on the work that we did at our EL 7642, where we identified a strike. We then continue to do a joint venture deal on tenements north of that tenement, and where we think there's a really long strike that's going to increase up through. And so the purpose of the program is to identify and build upon that strategy that our geo team are confident on. On the other front, studies are progressing well. We commenced them last year in September, October. They're now going through our final reviews internally, and we look to be sharing those studies with our shareholders in Q1 of 2024. Those studies are on the Goschen Central project, which is a mineral sand operation, which will look to produce a heavy mineral concentrate and also a rare earth concentrate. Secondly, the other scoping study is building upon our rare earth separating technology. So that will be taking the monazite concentrate and producing our rare earth carbonate. So the significance of this announcement today is really exciting. So Goschen Central, we released some really strong results last year, 622 million tonnes at a cut-off grade of 1% at a 2% heavy mineral assemblage. And so we'll be looking to really target and build upon that high-grade zone and to push that out and obviously look to increase the project economics. And so the drilling that we'll conduct over this period will enable us to really go along, get our assays, further mineralogy, and then go back to our resource geologists and update our JORC resource towards the middle of the year. That'll really enable us to understand the sensitivity analysis that we're running through now with our scoping studies, and we're really encouraged by the opportunity that we see there. So we've got lots of exciting news coming up for shareholders. With this drill program commencing now, we'll expect to be, once drilling is completed at each tenement, samples are then sent off to our lab in Western Australia. So it's about 2 months post that period of time where we get our first HM assays back. From there, we'll do our composite assembling then go on and do mineralogy. So it's probably another 2 to 3 months post that, as well as our scoping studies that are being completed this quarter. They will be then looking to release. And then at that point of the time as well, then we can outlay the next steps with what that means for the further project development. So today being the 17th of January actually marks a 1-year anniversary from when we rang the bell to join the ASX. So it's been an exciting first year for ACDC Metals. We've really hit the milestones that we outlined in our prospectus. We completed our extensive drill program across our portfolio, delivered on our mineral resource. Results came back what we expected and showed us strong projects, a strong portfolio, and we commenced the works on our scoping studies. We've really looked to establish there's a strong project at Goschen Central, and it really does allow for it to be revalued against our peers. Also, we've seen strong support for our rare earth technology and lots of support and collaboration from the state governments. And so we look forward to another year of building further value for our shareholders.